Question number 20. If the points A -2, -1, B 1, 0, C P, 3 and D 1, Q from a parallelogram ABCD, find the values of P and Q. A is equal to -2, -1. B is equal to 1, 0. C is equal to P, 3 and D is equal to 1, Q. A, B, C, D. A vertex is -2, -1 and B 1, 0, C P, 3 and D 1, Q. BD join BD and AC at point O. Diagonal of AC is equal to diagonal of BD by midpoint formula. AC is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. AC, that is x1 y1 and x2 y2. x1 y1 and x2 y2, which implies x1 is -2 plus x2 is P divided by 2, y1 is -1 plus y2 is 3 divided by 2, which implies AC is equal to -2 plus P divided by 2, 3 minus 1, 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1, which implies we get AC is equal to -2 plus P upon 2 and 1. And diagonal of BD, we are using same formula by midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. x1 is 1 plus x2 is 1 divided by 2 and 0 plus q divided by 2, which implies we get VD is equal to 2 upon 2, q upon 2. This is cancel and we get BD is equal to 1, q upon 2. So diagonal of AC is equal to, so AC is equal to BD, which implies AC is -2 plus P upon 2, 1 is equal to BD is 1, q upon 2. We are comparing first point, that is -2 plus P upon 2 is equal to 1, -2 plus P upon 2 is equal to 1 and 2 multiply by 1, we get -2 plus P is equal to 2 and P is equal to 2 plus 2, P is equal to 4. And second point 1, Q upon 2 is equal to 1, which implies we get Q is equal to 2. So required points P is equal to 4 and Q is equal to 2. Answer. Given A is equal to minus 2 comma minus 1, B is equal to 1 0, C is equal to P comma 3 and D is equal to 1 comma Q. We draw a parallelogram that is A, B, C, D, and we are joining AC and BD which meets at point O, and diagonal of AC is equal to diagonal of BD. We are using by midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. X1 is minus 2 and x2 is p, minus 2 plus p upon 2 comma minus 1 plus 3 upon 2, that is equal to minus 2 plus p upon 2 comma 3 minus 1, that is 2 upon 2, that will be cancelled and we get 1. So diagonal of AC we get minus 2 plus p upon 2 comma 1. Similarly, diagonal of BD using by midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. And 0 plus q, that is equal to q upon 2. And diagonal of VD, that is equal to 1 comma q upon 2. So diagonal of AC is equal to diagonal of VD, minus 2 plus p upon 2 comma 1 is equal to 1 comma q upon 2. First point, that is equal to 1. Minus 2 plus p upon 2 is equal to 1, and 2 multiplied by 1, that is equal to 2. Minus 2 plus p equal to 2, minus 2 is shifting right side, this will be positive, and 2 plus 2 we get 4, and value of p is equal to 4. And second point, that is 1 and is equal to q upon 2. Q upon 2 is equal to 1, 2 multiplying 1, that is 2, and value of q is equal to 2. Required values of p and q is equal to p is equal to 4 and q is equal to 2. Answer. Thank you.